The rugged terrain of the Korean peninsula, filled with mountains and rivers, has long awaited a new beast of steel to dominate the land. Moving past the era where heavy tracked vehicles crushed the earth, modern warfare began to demand faster and sharper mobility. Answering that call, the K808 armored personnel carrier, bestowed with the name Baeho White Tiger, reveals itself on the battlefield with a roaring engine. Its 8 wheels sprint across paved roads, carrying friendly infantry deep into the front lines before the enemy can even react. Even if the tires are torn apart by surprise enemy fire, the tactical run-flat tires refuse to collapse, demonstrating a tenacious vitality that allows it to break through the battlefield at 48 km/h. Should a river block its path, this White Tiger does not stop. Instead, it transforms into an amphibious predator, cutting through the water with its water jets. Its sturdy armor and automated weapon systems thoroughly protect the troops inside, instilling in the crew a confidence that goes beyond mere survival to certain victory. The K808 has established itself not just as a means of transport, but as the spearhead symbolizing the maneuver capability of the Republic of Korea Army and the core of modern mobile warfare.